Welcome to Keypup, the software development analytics tool that helps you track and accelerate your software delivery performance. In this video, we'll show you how to become a proficient user of Keypup in just 5 simple steps. Step 1. To automatically set up a dashboard, simply respond to a few questions such as to time frame, naming conventions, and projects you want to include in your calculation. Once you've responded to these questions, all metrics included in the dashboard will be automatically configured. Step 2. Like for the dashboard, the Metric Configuration Assistant allows you to automatically set up your metrics by answering a few questions such as time frame, frequency, naming conventions, and projects. The metric will be automatically populated using the right setup. Step 3. The drill down capability allows you to dig into details on a given metric. Let's say you observe a longer lead time for changes at a certain period. Simply click on it to see contextual details. By default, drill downs are already set up, but you can focus on what matters to you by adding relevant dimensions such as teams, users, or projects. Step 4. Using custom formulas can be intimidating, but it's actually simpler than it looks. The easiest way to start is by leveraging and adapting an existing metric. Let's look at the PR lead time for changes, for instance. Here, we use the created at field as a starting point to calculate the LTC. Let's replace it by the first commit at date. Here you go. We've changed the issue LTC calculation starting point from creation date to first commit instead. Filters allow you to narrow down your metric to specific segments such as dates, users, or labels, for instance. Let's apply a filter on a specific author. Here you go. We've now narrowed down the results to show what we want to focus on. Step 5. To invite your colleagues to the platform, it's pretty simple. From the Setting button, select Manage Team, and invite your team members while granting the permission set of your choice. Once onboarded to the platform, you can share any dashboard by clicking on the Sharing button, selecting your team member, and granting the dashboard access permission of your choice. And that's it. After completing these steps, you're now a proficient user of Keypup. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please don't hesitate to contact us. Thanks for watching.